dove, also known as turtle doves, are the most common bird found in North America. They belong to the dove-pigeon order and are genetically very closely related to the carrier pigeon, which sadly went extinct in the early 1900s. Mourning doves get their name from their cooing birdsong. The male mourning dove makes the cooing birdsong to entice the female dove for mating. Watch the cooing male dove pursue the female dove, who appears to be uninterested. After mating, the male and female build a nest and have typically 2 eggs. They both incubate, feed, and care for their young and will have up to 6 broods a season. Mourning doves are very peaceful yet shy birds. They eat seeds of all kinds. When the doves appear to eat seeds, they are actually storing them in a sac within their neck, saving them for digestion at a later time. These doves can fly fast with their flight speed clocked at 55 miles per hour. Mourning doves are rumored to be not very smart because of their shabby nest building. However, observations conclude they are quite intelligent and have shown the ability to learn and apply that learning to their behavior. The typical lifespan of a mourning dove is 1 to 1.5 years. The oldest known mourning dove was 33 years old. Because of the abundance of mourning doves, they are hunted for game and sadly for sport. The only states that ban hunting doves are Alaska, Massachusetts, Vermont, New Hampshire, New York, Connecticut, New Jersey, Michigan, and Maine. The beautiful song of the mourning dove with their graceful appearance is a welcoming sight to behold. They are a symbol of peace, so be kind to the mourning dove as they live their lives alongside a song.